Good morning, Oak Street Tigers. I'm Mrs. Chambers, and I am your music teacher.
I'm Coach Landon. I am your PE teacher. Today is Monday, August 15th, 2022.
Today, the weather's going to be hot. It's 102 with our high and a low of 72.
Tomorrow's high is going to be 95 degrees.
And birthdays, yesterday was Nicholas Van Giesen, and today is Connor Smith.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Today for lunch, we're going to have crispy chicken sandwich,
Sandwich fixins,
crispy cube potatoes,
pears,
and ice
cold
cold milk.
For breakfast tomorrow, we're going to have mini Cinnies, fruit, juice, and ice cold milk.
So here's a look at a few of the staff pictures from last week.
And now for the Tiger tickets. Every week on Friday, we will draw names to win prizes for the Tiger ticket. This week we have 5 winners. One person from each grade will win
10 Jolly Rancher scented markers and an Oak Street water bottle.
Have a great day, Oak Street Tigers. Now will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance?